I've lived in Australia for over 30 years, and majority of my work, 20 years of it, is working in the judicial system, working with the indigenous Aborigines, the First Nationals, and then Fiji diaspora, the Pacific diaspora, whether they're Samoans, Tongan, Maori, or Fijian. And these were young men, offenders inside it, and the one key thing that was coming across was the loss of their identity. They didn't know who they were. And then after coming here, it's like my whole focus is like, how do I marry Western concepts to the indigenous knowledge? We already have structures as indigenous people, as the landowners, or even maybe iTaukei. We've already got structures in place of how our forefathers, how our peoples always survived and thrived all this time. To be able to curb these, for me personally, it's like, okay, like today when I was sharing with the young people, I just want to remind them who they are. If they don't know who they are, they can't do anything. It's like, the reality at the end of the day, when you don't know who you truly are, your identity, like I was saying today, what are those? The Kauni Turanga, they are characters, they are roles and responsibility that's placed on people. Then you go to you look at the Wanendau or Tonambati. Who are Nambati? Those, they literally comes with responsibility. So it's just reminding people, this is who you are. So what I'm trying to say is, I'm so thankful that my master's for next year is going to kick off, and it's literally looking at Master of Social Change, indigenous-led. My whole project is like looking at how do I strengthen, enhance, and build the capacity of our iTaukei people to be able to combat this, to